The question is, if x is equal to fourth root of x cube plus 6x square, then the sum of all possible solutions for x is, right? Let's understand this equation. So it is x is equal to fourth root of x cube plus 6x square, right? So what you can do is take raised to power 4 on both the sides, right? On both the sides, you can easily take raised to power in order to remove this fourth root. So it comes to be x raised to power 4 is equal to x cube plus 6x square. Now, if that is the case, you can take all the terms on the left hand side. So x raised to power 4 minus x cube minus 6x square is equal to 0. Now, x square can be seen common, right? Can be taken common. So what is left from the first term is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, from uh, this equation, you can easily say that x square, right? X square has to be equal to 0, or you can say that x square, this quadratic, has to be equal to 0 in order to make the product of two terms equal to 0. Either x square is equal to 0 or this quadratic, which is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, from this first term, this equation, it is nothing else but x has to be equal to 0, right? Or let's find out the other root or values of x which satisfies this quadratic equation. Let's solve here. So x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. To split the middle term, right, you can say that the product has to be minus 6 and the split part has to have that sum of minus 1. So you can say that x square, that's right, x square minus 3x, right? The factors of 6 are 3 and 2, right? So minus 3 plus 2x minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So when you add them, you get minus 1. When you multiply minus 3 and 2, you get minus 6. Okay, so this is the part. Now, from the first two terms, x can be taken common. From the first two terms, if x is taken common, what is left is x minus 3. And from the next two terms, plus 2 can be taken common, right? Plus 2 from these two terms, right? So what is the split part? After splitting, the factorization comes out to be x plus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, you can say that x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. From this, you can easily say that x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3. Now, if that is the case, these are the solutions for the quadratic equation. So you can say that x is equal to 0 or x could be minus 2 or x could be 3. So these are the solutions. Let's write here 0 or minus 2 and 3. This is what we have got. Now see to it that x is equal to, this was the equation, x is equal to fourth root of x cube plus x 6x square, right? So can you get value of x as negative, right? Because if you can just see this right hand side, right, it will always give you a positive value, right? It will always give you a positive value. Can you get a negative, right? X comes out to be negative here, right? Minus 2. Can you get a value of minus 2 from this equation or from this expression on the right hand side? No, right? If you try to substitute, if you try to substitute minus 2 in this to find out, right, you'll not get. Here you'll be getting minus 2 if you substitute x equal to minus 2, so it will be a negative term, right, which cannot be equal to the right hand side, which will always give you a positive term. Why? Because it has a fourth root, which is even root, right? Even root will always give you a positive answer. So this is not possible, right? That therefore you can say that minus 2 is not possible for this particular equation. Minus 2 cannot be the value of x or a root of x. Therefore you are left with two values of x, that is 0 or minus 0 or plus 3. So your sum of all the values, possible values or solutions for x, comes out to be 0 plus 3, which is 3. Hence D should be your correct answer.